Hey everyone, my name's Kelly and I'm super excited to be here today with Expressions Vinyl talking all about the March mystery box. And if you don't know what a mystery box is, it's a box that comes filled with adhesive vinyl and heat transfer vinyl and blanks that you can use the vinyl on, and it also comes with SVG files, so it's a complete craft box in one. This month, I got to design the SVG files for the box, and I also got to pick the patterns, or design the patterns and pick the colors that went into each box. And I got to pick the blanks that went into each box. So I'm super excited to dive into the box today to make a project using some of the supplies. So today we're gonna make this fun spring banner. This will be perfect for your garden. I thought it would also be perfect for maybe a little girl's room or a nursery. And it has a little slot right there, so you can put a wooden dowel through it and hang it wherever you'd like. So this project, we're using 4 different types of heat transfer vinyl and the flag that comes in your mystery box. And this is my special vinyl pattern that I designed called Rainbow Stripe. So I'm super excited to make this, and let's dive in. So for this project, you are going to need to use the heat transfer vinyl, the Siser Easy Weed in pink and flamingo, and the Siser Sparkle in pink lemonade. And you'll also need my patterned heat transfer vinyl in rainbow stripe. You're also going to need some heat resistant tape. This is optional. A weeding tool, a Cricut Easy Press, and your Cricut Easy Press mat, and your flag that came in the mystery box. When you're working with heat transfer vinyl, the main thing that you need to remember is when you place your vinyl onto the mat, it needs to go face down. So like you can see here, I have my pattern and I'm placing it face down onto the mat. The second thing that you want to make sure of is when you set up your file in the software, you need to mirror the file. So your file is going to be cut backwards, and then when you flip it over and heat press it onto your item, everything will be forwards and you'll be able to read the words and your designs will turn out right. So for this project, we're using the Bloom 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 SVG file from the March mystery box. And I've gone ahead and cut out my files. And like you can see, I cut out this file like this. I mirrored it, I cut it out, and then when you flip it over, it's right side up. And heat transfer vinyl comes with a sticky carrier sheet, so then you can place it down on your item to heat press it. So I'm going to take this first piece of vinyl and just place it on my flag, just lining everything up. I cut my second piece of vinyl out of my rainbow stripe, and I cut another piece of, another word out of the pink. And then I also used the glitter vinyl, and I did like a knockout effect on this. And I am going to layer that with the rainbow stripe. So it's going to go like this, and then we're going to put the rainbow stripe right in there. So I'm going to go ahead and preheat my flag here, or my banner, or whatever you want to call it, just to make sure all the moisture is out. And so I set my Easy Press to 305 and I set it for 10 seconds. That is what Expressions Vinyl recommends for this type of vinyl. So I'm going to start with this file right here. And I'm going to place this right in the middle. And then I can then evenly space out my other two words above and below it. So I'm using my Easy Press mat, and then the flag or banner, and then my SVG file. I always recommend to place a piece of parchment paper between your vinyl and your heat press just to protect everything. So I'm going to place this on top, and then I'm going to press this at 305 for 10 seconds. Next, I'm going to place my rainbow stripe vinyl down, making sure to line it up in these gaps right here. So I have it placed where I want it, and to make extra sure that it does not move, I placed a couple of pieces of heat transfer tape or heat resistant tape on the top and the bottom, just because I do not want this sliding around at all, because it has to match up with the bottom file. So I am going to press this for 305 at 10 seconds. Next, I'm just going to finish it off with my last two pieces of vinyl. And there you have a fun banner, perfect for spring. So I hope you enjoyed making today's project. Make sure to check out the other projects that I have using the files, vinyl, and blanks in the March mystery box. See you later. Bye.